Perfection. As a first responder, our field training officer, our sergeant, they're always on us. It's got to be done perfect. Do it right. No, that's supposed to be done this way. And this is supposed to be done that way. Do it again. Do it over. Make it right. Make it perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Nope. Do it again. Fix this. Fix that. All too often we get tied up chasing the little details, trying to make sure it's perfect. And when we do that, sometimes we miss those little beautiful moments in life where things don't go quite perfect. But even though it wasn't quite right, it was good. In fact, it was good enough. Not everything has to have a place. And not every place has to have a thing. Sometimes good enough is good enough. As long as you have all the right ingredients, most of the time it doesn't matter what order they're in, how pretty they look. But when you get all the right ingredients, you can make some pretty amazing things. And life can turn out perfectly imperfect. Just the way it's designed to be. Focus on the important things. Is that every little T needs crossed, every little I needs dotted? Or do we just need to make sure the important stuff's there? Because pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work.